TikTok is hands down the best way to make money online in 2025. People all over the world are making thousands of dollars from TikTok, and they're doing this from one of these two methods. The first one is the creativity program, which I'm sure you're familiar with. The problem with this is that you need 10,000 followers, and this can take longer than expected to achieve. The second one is TikTok Shop. Unlike the creativity program, you need much less followers, and the rewards can be just as good, if not better. In this video, I will start by showing you what content goes viral on TikTok Shop, and then I'll show you exactly how to create this content for yourself so that you can begin to make thousands from TikTok. I'll then go further and show you some advanced tools that you can use to find winning products online. To prove it, let me show you a completely faceless video that's made thousands of sales.
This is what would happen to your body if you started taking Lion's Mane powder. After just 24 hours, your skin would completely clear up.
No more talking, let's get to work. In this video's description, there's a Google Doc full of everything that we're going to use for our video. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we have an eligible TikTok account, as TikTok Shop isn't available in every region. To get around this, I have accounts for sale in a Google Doc in this video's description. Let's dive in and find a winning product for our video. To do this, we'll use a platform called Shopless, which is an amazing tool designed to help creators like us. And you can find the link in this video's description. Shopless is packed with useful features, and we'll go through some of them step by step. Head to Shopless using the link in the Google Doc. The first feature is the Influencer tab. This allows us to find top influencers in any region. For this example, I'll select the US. Once selected, you can see a list of influencers who are currently going viral. If we click on the top influencer, we can view detailed insights, including their activity and exactly what they're selling. This is a powerful way to understand what's trending. As you can see, this health account is selling this product here, and they've made over $35,000. Next, we'll check out the Creator Center tab. This feature is a game changer. It allows us to explore trending TikTok videos, viral songs, and hashtags that are currently performing well. By using this information in our video, we can significantly increase our chances of going viral. Shopless also has a Shops tab. It's similar to the Influencer tab, but instead of influencers, it highlights shops that are trending. If I click on the top shop, I can see what products they're selling and what's making them successful. Finally, let's head to the Insights section. This is where we can access detailed data about TikTok shops. Scrolling down, we can see the best-selling categories on the platform. As you can see, the #1 category is beauty and personal care. I'll select it, and we can go and see if we can find a winning product. If I hit the Breakout Products tab at the top, we can see a list of products that are going viral right now. If I scroll down, there's this Derma roller that I've seen videos about before. So I'll use this as our product for this video. Don't forget to take advantage of Shopless, which you can access using the link in the description. With these tools, finding a winning product has never been easier. Now we have our product. Let's go ahead and make some content showcasing it. So we firstly need our script, which I'm going to get from ChatGPT. I'll ask it to create a timeline of what happens when you begin to use a Derma roller. I'll ensure the AI keeps it to 1,000 characters, which results in a voiceover that's just over 1 minute long. ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas like this daily, and I'll include the exact prompts in the linked Google Doc. As you can see, the AI has generated a timeline for us to use. Without wasting time, I'll move on to generating our voiceover. To do this, go to ElevenLabs using the link in the Google Doc, paste the timeline into the text box, select a voice from the drop-down menu, and hit Generate Speech. Once you're satisfied with the result, save the voiceover. Next, return to ChatGPT and ask it to create Leonardo image generation prompts for each sentence in the timeline. Since this content is faceless, we'll use a variety of AI-generated images to make the video visually appealing. I'll also share tips to make these images more engaging. Once the prompts are ready, keep this tab open and head over to Leonardo using the link in the Google Doc. Once you're in the image creation section of Leonardo, start by adjusting a few settings. First, set the image generation model to Leonardo Phoenix. Next, scroll down and set the generation quality to the highest setting possible. After that, ensure the video is in the TikTok aspect ratio by hitting More and then selecting TikTok. Then, configure the AI to generate 4 images at a time, as 1 per sentence isn't enough for a viral video. With the settings adjusted, return to ChatGPT and grab your first image prompt. Copy the prompt, go back to Leonardo, and paste it into the generation box. Once it's ready, hit generate. I'll repeat this process with every image, and skip to when our images are ready. After the images are generated, review them. Repeat this process for each prompt from ChatGPT until all your images are ready. I'll skip ahead to when I've copied all the prompts, and the images are fully generated. As you can see, the AI-generated images look great. Go ahead and download every single one to use in your video. Now that we have all the elements, let's move on to editing the video in CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, start by clicking New Project and importing all the elements for your video. Begin with the voiceover. Drag it into the timeline to lay the foundation. Since ElevenLabs generated audio may have gaps of dead air, take time to fix them. To do this, split the audio on both sides of each gap, delete the middle section, and drag the remaining audio together. This process ensures your voiceover is smooth and flows seamlessly, which is critical for creating a high-quality, engaging video. Repeat this process for the entire voiceover. It might take some time, but trust me, it's worth it if you're aiming to make a viral video. Once your voiceover is finalized, it's time to add your images. Drag each image into the timeline one by one. Make sure they are in the correct order and correspond with what's being said in the voiceover. This alignment is crucial for keeping viewers engaged and ensuring your visuals effectively complement the narration. Continue adding all your images until the timeline is complete. Now, let's make the video more engaging by adding animations to the images. Click on an image, then go to the Animation tab in the top right corner. Choose the Combo option, which has pre-built animations that add motion to your still images. Apply a different animation to each image to keep the video dynamic and visually appealing. This simple trick can make your content up to 10 times more engaging and help you retain viewers longer. Next, we'll add text to the video. Head to the Text tab on the top left of CapCut and select Auto Captions. On the next page, hit Generate to create captions for your video. If this feature requires a pro account, you can use the VN Editor, which offers free auto captions. The link is included in the Google Doc. Once the captions are generated, select them all and head to the Templates section to customize their appearance. Choose a style that suits your video, for example, one that reveals words gradually. Position the text in the middle of the screen for clarity and visual balance. Now, let's add a title text to introduce the topic of your video. Return to the Text tab and create a new text box. Type something like Derma Roller and drag it to the top of the screen. Customize the title with a clean, vibrant template, like a green design, and add an animation to make it pop. This step ensures your audience knows immediately what the video is about, grabbing their attention right from the start. After text, it's time to incorporate effects. Navigate to the Effects tab in the top left corner. Add impactful effects, focusing especially on the first few seconds of your video, as this is the most critical part for capturing your audience's attention. For example, you might use a dramatic lighting effect or a subtle sparkle effect to give the video a polished look. You don't need to apply effects to every image, but adding them strategically at key moments can elevate your video's quality. Next, let's adjust the overall visual tone of the video. Go to the Adjustment tab and create a custom adjustment layer that spans the entire video. Start by increasing the saturation slider to make the colors more vibrant and eye-catching. Then scroll down to the Vignette slider and increase it to around 25. This will darken the corners of the video, giving it a cinematic and aesthetic feel. These small adjustments can make a big difference in the video's overall impact. In place, it's time to export your video. Make sure to save it in 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second to ensure it looks crisp and professional.
What would happen if you used a Derma Roller for 2 months? Let's break it down. Day 1.
And that's it. You've now created a polished, engaging video that's ready to go viral. For watching, and see you next time.